Okay, so here are the roosting poles I set up for my chickens, but unfortunately they are not permanent. They're just kind of doing this balancing act. So just to make sure that they're a bit more secure for the ladies, I took some of this blue twine and tied it around, holding it in place. So I'm hoping this will do the trick. Oh, and here's Mary. She's our brooding hen. Out of all the hens, she has delivered about 5 babies now. Thank you, Mary. And she's hard at work on another batch. We love her. Keep up the good work. Oh, Mary. And then over here are my babies. Yeah. Black and black. I love them. Absolutely loving this deep mulch, deep bedding that I have to put in. They're just constantly scratching and eating bugs. Back to this. Okay, so did a makeshift tie so that these stay put, and then this board back up so it can also stay put. And this one, get water on, so hopefully, less debris. This is not doing it. So I got it up on that now. Maybe there'll be less debris in the water. Who knows? I do really enjoy keeping debris in the water. I love how close they come. They are just not scared of me at all. Like, hi, buddy. Hi. Guys, am I scared? No? Am I scared? Am I scared? Up there drinking the water? Good for you. Alright, well that's the noise of the laundry machine. The doors will open and closed again. Hi, buddy. Ah, you're so cute. Hi. You're right beside me? You checking me out? Alright. So, that's my morning. My new chickens. I'm so happy. Like, oh my gosh. I can't even imagine not having chickens. Like, life before chickens? What was that? Like, why would you want that? So I'll let you know once they start laying some eggs. I could show you some plantains, but we did a bit of a harvest, but there's some right there. As you can see, my trees are quite tall. Right now it's dry season, but you would never know it looking at my canopy, because all of the trees are still lush and green. And that's thanks to all this deep mulch, or chicken bedding, if you will, and these guys, while they're fertilizing. I have never had to water. Just chop, drop, harvest eggs and plantains for breakfast. Life's better on the farm. Alright. So on this side, I have my silkies. You know, my berry trees are up in there. There's my outcasted rooster. And these two roosters, tag team. They're like a dynamic duo. Look at this one. They're just so fluffy. Little poof clouds. They make me happy. And there's another berry. Either goose or raspberry. Another one I put in. Oh, sorry, Tiger. And then I put up this fence to give these guys a chance to get acclimated without getting bullied. They look happy. Birds. They look happy. These are so gigantic. You would not believe this dry season. And there they are. Resting. Here is my roosters. So these came with my silky batch. I just made them their own flock so that it's not World War III every day, all day. So they're just picking over the last bacterial grass. I don't think they're actually eating the grass. I think they're looking for bugs. Maybe they are eating the grass. So they've settled and gotten along quite nicely now. Again, just so pretty to look at. I'm hoping in the rain season the grass will come back stronger than ever. I honestly can just watch my chickens all day. I find it very therapeutic. The life of chickens. And then my puppies. Look at the other one. Where'd Princess go? Princess go take a nap, Tiger? Did Princess go take a nap? I bet she went and took a nap. I'm gonna go disturb her. Let's say bye. She likes to like take a nap behind the dog house. There she is. Bye, Princess. Bye, you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm the princess. I'm the princess. Okay. So here, we've been saving these Tetra Paks for about 4 years. And the plan is to open them up and place them like roof shingles, just like that, so that the roof doesn't spoil. So that's the idea. And here's the old roof that didn't have that protective, so it's just slowly spoiled over time. So I don't, here's where we're putting it. Oh, and as well as we got new doors. So the old doors as you can see. Made it hard to clean. It has this lip here. Well, I wasn't happy about that. But now this new door comes right down at the ground level. So I can sweep all this out. Make it all nice and clean for the ladies. So that is a good thing. The carpenter has done a lot. Oh, and as well, we just put in these roofing bars. If you can see it, but have a place to hang out. But all this is happening. Okay, so as you can see, the new roof is on. I cheated. Go up nice and close for me.
What is this is the roof. It's made with Tetra Paks and whatnot. Shingles.
Alright.
Plastic?
The milk boxes.